Check it out. Look at this beautiful day. The sun coming through the trees. Oh my gosh, trees, trees, everywhere there's trees. One of the things that I absolutely love about this property is all the trees. Oh my gosh, what do we have over here? It's a bobcat. Whoa, that looks like a heavy-duty machine to do some heavy-duty work. Whoa, okay. And this massive dump truck. I think this is 20 feet. Yes, guys, it's a big day in the neighborhood. And speaking of trees, we are going to do some arborist work today. I think that's what you call it. I have hired a tree service company to come out and do some cleanup and some removal. It's gonna be a big, full day. And he's offered to spread some asphalt millings too, so I'm gonna have those coming in, I think. I'm not 100%. It's not his wheelhouse, but it's not rocket science either, so he's offered to help. So, yep. This tree I'm gonna be saying bye-byes to. This is where the RV van spot is going to be, the site. And yeah, bye-bye to that tree. So I'll show you a little bit more here in a minute and hope you'll join me. Linda here, Serene and Simple Life at Cozy Nest Cottage. Isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna walk around the land now and show you what they're gonna be doing today. I don't know how much videoing I'll be doing of them doing the work. Maybe I'll catch, a few little clips here and there. I was checking out this bobcat, so yeah, I'm just gonna take you around the land, show you what trees are gonna go and what's gonna be happening today. Alrighty, can't remember ever being up close and personal with a bobcat. Look at these claws, guys. Woo! That's some serious machinery. Wonder who designed this baby. Anyways, okay, so we're at the road now, as you can see. See? And I am walking towards the house. Every time I hear a truck, I think it's gonna be them. And as I showed you, or in the preview, this tree I'm walking towards now is gonna go. It was recommended to me back in the spring by a couple landscaping companies that if this is where I was gonna have my site for RVs, remember you've got to email me, Linda at sayitdisplayit.com, and I posted a community post about saving 10% for the first 10 people that sign up in November and December. But anyways, that was a bunny trail. This one's gonna go. It's gonna give a nicer space. And I am gonna do some privacy bushes here very shortly. And so this will be really pretty. We're gonna have asphalt millings here. I think I've been talking about those for a while. I did a video a while back and then the whole project fell through. And then this tree right here, straight ahead. Look how cute. This one right here is leaning up against or very close to the telephone pole. So he said that one has to go. And it won't interfere with privacy here. This is a really nice tree. These are oak trees. And then this tree right here It's dying, even though it doesn't look like it. And another one that's just, you know, I love trees, don't get me wrong. But this baby is leaning on the telephone pole. Not good. Or not the telephone pole, but my, you know, electrical wires. Well, I guess you could say pole. There's the pole out there. The county does not take care of stuff like this. So this baby's gonna go, I guess they're gonna do maybe a little bit of trim up here because that is, well, these two trees are intersecting. Yikes. That's literally on the wire. Look at that. Can you see that? Wow. And then this tree is dead. So there's no reason to have this. And this just expands my property line. You know, this is all privacy here, which is beautiful. But yeah, there's a couple leaves up top, but this tree is, it's time to go. And then he noticed some branches over there by the little baby shed, I guess. He just pointed those out yesterday. I love that little tree that sits there. So, and behind my little baby shed is my hurricane covers. So, yeah, I don't know what he saw that was leaning here. But anyways, then if you come up front here, you see how close this is to the house. And when I first bought this land and was gonna have someone professionally clean it up before I started cleaning it, I said, you know, these should be cut. Look how close. And I guess they call it lifting the tree. There's another word for it too. You know, making it a canopy. So trees will grow in the direction of sunlight, so we're getting a little bit far out there. And so there's another one there. But, you know, throughout the day I'll try to take some video, but at least you've got now an overview. 4 trees. First one up there in the corner between, right beside to the left of the telephone pole. Just giving you from a distance now. You see the telephone pole and then the tree next to it. It's kind of straight behind this one. And then the one that's almost dead and it's leaning to the left there towards the wires. See? And then the one that's dead back here. So there you have it. This was not an impulse decision. This was just pushed back because I chose to get gutters and screen my porch in, and everything that I'm doing, I'm paying cash and staying out of debt. So little by little. This is actually the time of year when the house was being built last year. So we're not even a year old. Christmas time will be a year old since I got my certificate of occupancy. Beautiful, beautiful land. As my neighbor said when I was debating about buying this, he said, Linda, they just don't make them like this anymore. And he meant all the trees. So I'm stepping back now to give you a nice little overview of what you will be delighted with, I'm pretty sure, if you come and stay here for a day or a couple days. Yes, email me if you're interested, and go to the community post where I actually mentioned how much I'm going to be charging. All right, guys are supposed to be here between 7:30 and 7:45, and I think it's about 7:40 now, so the babbling brook will stop and show you some progression, and then I'll do a little wrap up at the end of the day. I may have a driveway and an RV spot by the end of the day. This has been long in the making with planning and phone calls and saving and working. Well, these guys are moving and grooving. I just talked to the main guy. He is going to spread millings for me and do some grading. These guys are really nice. Between all of them, he said they have over 100 years of experience. So, yep, we got one tree down already. And they are going to stump grind the two that are in the RV area. So, they'll be gone. And they said it's okay to video, so I'll be doing more of that as we go. I didn't get to say timber. It's a Mr. Rogers show again. This is happy stuff. Just asked me if I could use some firewood. Oh my gosh. There goes the plow. Looking better already. Haircut. Making a canopy. Gotta go back to the beginning and watch the before. They're starting to shape up. They've only been here for a half hour at the most. Oh my gosh, we have some AI going on here. Stump grinder. Goes all by himself. It's crazy. What's this world coming to? Supervisor just told me I have a mulberry bush over there. up there. All over. Here it goes. Getting away from my roof. Looking pretty. By trees. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Have I said that already? Distance. It's a roof line. Guys, put in the comments, what do you think? I think this is a game changer for the property. Did I tell you that he said something like this should be maintained every 3 to 5 years? That's a big chunk of change. We're not going to worry about that right now. The dead tree up here. And then the tree where the RV spot, van spot is going to be, site. It's gone. A couple trees in the back. Wow. Check it out. Boy, you don't know until you do this. What a difference. Then I'm gonna get privacy trees along here and over on the other side. More to come. I think we'll wrap this up here now. And I'll show you the completed, and I'll show you when they do the driveway and the RV site. Blessings in your day and joy in all your projects, and joy in the journey. The journey it's been. Praising and thanking God, from whom all blessings flow.